4:45 in the morning, and all of a sudden we hear this big noise. This big noise.
Talk about ricochet echo.
Before it was a big constant noise, now it's just this. It scared the geese. I don't know what the hell that was, but that was it. It woke the cows up too.
I should do that during the day. Oh my god. 3 in the morning.
What the